So Pen Tool Co. sent me this digital caliper to sand and kind of review. So this is what they want me to do. They want me to show how waterproof it is by dunking it into water and making sure that, no water can get in there. So I'm just going to dunk it around and splash a little bit, see if I can get any water in there. Do a little more banging around. You can see it's just perfectly fine in there. You can read the screen. It's nice and big, bright. I'm going to go ahead and reset it underneath the water. Now it's back to 0. This caliper is iP67 waterproof. And as you can see, no gimmicks, no funny business. This is an iGaging Coolant Cal XL digital caliper. You already can see that it's already waterproof. Already proved that, right? Comes with this nice case. Comes with extra battery. This thing is so accurate that I can even read my arm hair. God, it's pinching my skin. Down to 0.3 or 0.03. This thing has a huge display that is easy to read. So if you're looking for high quality tools or even a caliper just like this, go check out Pen Tool Co., your partner in precision tools.